What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Foxy Gamer, the Pirate Fox here, and today we're gonna check out my little dog Sanic. Come in, almost here, almost there, and we're out here. There he is. There is Sanic. He's shy, and that's the mom. That's the mom. Golden Freddy Gamer's right here. Oh. Yeah. He wants some sugar. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Just hyper. Just hyper. Just hyper. Nothing. Wanna play?
Look at him.
Chilling. Chilling, chilling.
I think he wants milk. Look at that. Look at him. He gives me paws. Paw.
No,
Paw.
it's my turn. Aww, he likes me.
Yeah, he also licks too. Paw.
Wait, did he lick me?
Sanic. Sanic. Sanic.
He likes me better.
Well, he's slipping over. Come on, dude. Let's go take her to. Let's go take him to Mrs. V if she's there.
You sure must be if she's asleep. Aww.
No.
Give me a paw. Sonic.
Come on. Come.
Good.
Look at him. Did you know? Did you? Oh my gosh, that tickles. That tickles so much.
Aww.
It's so cute.
Doesn't matter what he's back to.
Oh, it hurts.
Oh. Ow.
Yeah, she's like, nope, I'm walking away.
Look at that puppy. Right behind my foot. Oh. You like my foot. Yeah, it tickles so much.
Come on, grab. Come on, dude, grab him. She's just over there, like, get away from my child. I'm out of here.
Look at Santa. She's scratching my foot.
Come on, dude, let's go.
Okay.
Chili, Chili, come on. Chili, Chili, Chili. That's the girl, Chili. That's her name, actually, Chili. Sanic, you want to see him?
He's like, come on, let's go.
Okay, get Chili. Go call her. Come on, go call her.
Chili.
Come on. Well, you guys can see Santa. If you guys notice, I'm wearing flippity flaps. They're flap. He's so cute, isn't he?
Diego, Santa loves me now, huh?
Yeah, he loves everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, if anybody comes to our house, wait, let me get the view here. Right there. That's the number. 324. So you can pause this and just write it. And if you see that flag and that giant tree and that speedboat, and she's like, "Sup, bro?" I think she.
Oh, and
I thought he peed on me.
Dude, guess what?
that one. You can see she has milk. It can also spread.
Yeah, last time I did it, I showed to my brother and he got mad. Well, not that mad.
Come on, let's go.
Wait for the road.
Hey, he's over here, I think. Oh, his grandma's here.
His mom, I mean.
No, his grandma. His grandma and his
hold on.
mom.
Oh,
No. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at the ears also. Come on, let's go. What? Car? There's truck. There's truck over there.
let's just run. Okay.
Yeah, this is Mrs. V's house.
From Summit.
Yeah, from Summit.
She's our neighborhood.
Yeah, neighbor. And there's also Isaiah's house. My friend, my house. Look at that giant tree.
Hi, Miss B. Look what my.
Look at our puppies.
Those are the puppies.
Yeah, that one's
His name is
Sanic.
Sanic, and this is where she gave birth.
She's the one who had them.
Mhm.
Mila, papa. Look,
He knows how to walk now.
look, he can walk.
Yeah, guys, if you notice, this is Mrs. B. Here.
Hi.
Yeah, she works at Summit. If you noticed.
Let's see if he can walk.
Oh, Mila, papa.
Yeah, and he follows everywhere where someone's big.
So she only had one?
She only gave another one, but she died.
Oh.
Yeah,
Too
it was.
big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the other was too big. I can't have too big. Okay, thank you guys for showing me your side.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Bye. And that's her car right there. Right there's the pipe. Oh, dude, remember we're gonna meet our friend in 240? Yeah, so we're gonna meet.
My friend Taylor.
Yeah, we're gonna meet our friend Tyler. Over there. Like over there. Yeah, so. Yeah. We're gonna do this. Yeah, to Isaiah's house. Oh, he's going, I think. Yeah. And this is where the old house of someone of our friends were. Oh, trash can!
You can go down there. Hi. That's a cutie. Look, a baby.
Huh?
It's not yours. He's cute.
Yeah. Isaiah, I'll call Isaiah. Okay.
Cooper's gonna be really happy. No, he's gonna be like so surprised. Yeah, he did got in trouble. Hey, look, there's a cat Charlie right there. His name is Charlie. Like Charlie, why are you there? Not that kind of Charlie. Charlie, like almost like Charlie Brown. Yeah. Okay. So it's been 10 minutes now. If I get to 15, then then I can't upload this.
Yes, yeah.
If-
Wait.
No, Pooper.
Who would think that monkey?
There, I put the light on.
Your mom let you, your Chili come over here?
Mm-hmm.
No, we
Hi,
just.
Sandy.
No, he can walk. Yeah.
Guys, guess what?
Like, put him down.
Guess how many subs I have?
Huh.
16 now.
What?
Remember I said,
Look at Sonic. He's so
Yes,
cute.
yes.
hey guys, could you show? So I'm making a gaming video, and so if you want to watch,
Yeah, his YouTube channel is cool. It's Bonnie Cool.
it's a picture of a dog face. I changed it.
Yeah.
I changed it.
Dude, put Sanic down.
And this little guy's on my Facebook channel, huh?
Mm-hmm.
He's being his phone.
And here's Chili.
Yeah.
And
Do not ask me. Yeah, it's my grandpa who did it.
Look what he's doing.
and
He's kissing him.
this is my phone.
His phone. He's kissing him.
Okay, give him a tour around my house except for there, in my room, okay?
Yeah, so this is the living room, the TV.
Yeah.
Call of Duty Black Ops 3.
Yeah,
The 3 boss chairs, the chair, this whatever, the new Wi-Fi box, the kitchen,
Yeah, but
like this, right there, the bathroom, cookies. I want cookies.
Okay.
yeah, I can't. But first we have to wash our hands because we're covered in dog hair.
Doesn't matter.
And
There's like chicken right there.
and my new
Garbage.
dog's called
Monkey.
Monkey.
The door. Just need it. The trampoline. Doghouse pooper. Says right there.
And
Pooper.
if I get 1 million subs, I will do Draw My Life. I know you already did his.
Yeah, there's a plant tree, whatever, and
Like
stuff.
he's gonna hold my camera and he's gonna.
Look, one time he clawed me because he loves me.
Guys. And that's the haunted room right there.
Yeah, his brother sleeps in there.
And guess what? My brother tells me to shut up.
Oh, look, you see how much he loves you. Hooper, no. Hooper, no.
He
Get
likes to
along.
meet new animals, huh? Just let your brother meet Coopers.
Dude. Keep Chili away from Pooper because that's not Monkey. Pooper, that's not Monkey. This is my friend.
Guys, let's go. And we want to show you something really cool. Like, guess what? The babies put their toy here.
Hey, get off of me. Before I do something cute to him, because he's so cute in the world.
And
Like Doge. No, I'm gonna name him Doge. Doge.
and I got this for my birthday.
Look how much she loves
Fish
me.
tanks.
Guys, look how much Foxy Gamer, look how much she loves me. Look. Come on, don't be shy.
And
You saw the green eye, guys? Okay, this is too weird. Hope you guys enjoyed this Hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.